have my project pan update. This is update number 1. I filmed that first video at the beginning of the year. It's been about a month and I wanted to update you guys. I kind of forgot to take pictures of one of the products, which was my powder. Hopefully I will find a screenshot of what it looked like previously. You know, I'm new to this whole thing. But I know that some people keep tabs on how many times they use something, like if they use it 9 times, 10 times. That's a little bit much for me right now, so I'm just going based on what I see as progress. Hopefully I will find the picture so you guys will see it side by side and see the difference of how much I've used it. But I've been literally, every time I do my makeup, I use this. I do my makeup 3 to 4 times a week, depending on how many days I'm working. Most of the days that I'm off, like today I did do my makeup because I'm filming, but if I'm not filming, I usually don't do my makeup. You know, life gets in the way, but this is what the powder looks like right now. Hopefully you guys will see the before on the side. I absolutely love this. It just gives a beautiful satin finish to the skin, very glowy, very beautiful. You can use this on its own as a powder foundation and it's really, really nice. I use it more for extra coverage and to give a nice setting to my foundation, and I just love the way it looks. It's what I have on today. It just gives like a beautiful, realistic, more natural appearance to the skin. Love, love, love this. The more I use it, the more I love it. I know that once I use up a lot of other powders, this is something that I would definitely repurchase, and I'm in the shade 3. Next up is the Urban Decay All Nighter. This was halfway filled. I want to say it's down quite a bit. I can't really tell just because it's a really dark bottle, but I have been using this even sometimes before my makeup, after my makeup, and I highly enjoy this. This really does grip your makeup and make it stay. And the only thing is that sometimes it can dry out your face a little bit. That's something just to be a little bit more cautious about, but I highly, highly love this and have been really using it. And you can see that a lot on my flat lays on Instagram. I've been doing everyday makeups over there and shot my stash kind of layouts and looks. Basically, I've been taking pictures of my layout, and then as you swipe to the left, you can see like my makeup of the day. Next up is the Too Faced Do You. I feel like I did really good progress on this one. This one I actually am able to, you can see the difference when I first started to now. I've been mixing this in with foundation. The days that I don't wear makeup, I've even been wearing this just like to give a glow to my skin. Love it, smells divine, and I really feel like I'm making progress on using this puppy up. Likewise with this one, this is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. This is the one that I've used the most. If you can see there, the difference from when I started to now. I use this even the days that I don't wear makeup. I just feel like it's really nice. It has vitamin C, and I feel like I'm actually doing like some skincare mixed in there. It has kind of like a glowy skin look to it, and I highly, highly enjoy it. Really highly recommend this primer if you have more mature or older skin or dry skin, because it just gives that beautiful glow to the skin, and it's not overly hydrating if you do have oily skin. Just a really great primer, and it smells really nice as well. Next is the MAC Prep and Prime, another one that I picked to use up here, and there's no way of me like telling you guys how much I have left in here. I'm just trying to really use this up. It's the oldest concealer that I have in my collection. And dude, I struggle a little bit with this one because it's frustrating for me because I can't see how much is left in here. And the fact that every time I twist it, like more product just keeps coming up. I'm like, dude, are you ever going to finish? And I've had this, like I said, for quite some time and used it, as some to highlight areas. I really, really love this. This is the Light Boost. And yeah, hopefully there will be a moment that I will click it and it will click no more. And then the last one was my foundation that I've been using up. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. When it falls down, it looks like it's full, but when standing for quite some time, I'm actually able to mark the little line on here. As you can see there, I've used quite a bit up. I have not always used this every single day, and that's why the progress is a little bit less than some of the other products, because of the fact that I've been mixing this with other foundations, or some days I take a break from it and use something else because I don't want to neglect my collection as well. And I have just a shit ton of other foundations that I need to use. But I do feel that even for not using it every day and mixing it with other stuff, I have been doing really good progress on it. If you're looking for a nice, beautiful, everyday glowy foundation, this is definitely it. And I'm in the shade 305N. And that is my progress so far. Also, I've just been really trying to go through my collection, my eyeshadows. The other day I sat down and went through my liners and literally looked like I had been just having as if my child had painted all over my hand, because I wanted to see which one of my pencils are working and which ones have dried out and get rid of them. And then also my eyeshadows, as I use them and see if some of the shades have hard pan or they're not working as well, I will be putting those into a declutter pile as well, because that's the whole point of this, is to really go through my collection, see what still is good, what I can use, and what needs to go bye-bye. Thank you guys so much. Let me know what your progress has been, how you've been doing on your project pan. Let me know if you have a Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, I've been trying to follow back those that do panning as well, just to kind of like motivate myself as well when I see you guys panning stuff. And yeah, let me know if you have a channel where you're doing a project pan as well. I'd love to follow you. Thank you guys so much for watching. For those who have stayed subscribed to my channel and are still watching my videos, because I know I've definitely changed the direction of my channel quite a bit. But thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.